right, so we are on another example where we're going to combine different operations for us to simplify our expressions. So we have negative 3 times 4x minus 9 plus 30. So remember, we're going to work through PEMDAS. The first thing that we need to do is take care of our parentheses. And before we can do that, remember that we need to use the distributive property. So what we're saying is we're going to multiply 3 times 4x. That gives me 12x's. That's a negative and a positive. That gives me a negative. Then we have 3 times 9. That gives me 27. And then we have a negative times a negative, which gives me a positive. And then we're going to just bring down our last term, 30x. So this is what it looks like outside of the parentheses. The final thing that we need to do now is simplify our expression. So remember our different columns that we're going to have set up. We will need an x column, we'll need a constant, and then again, this is going to go under our x column. So what we have is going to be negative 12x, okay, that's our x column. And then we have another x value, so I'm going to place that here, 30x. That's a positive, so I'm going to put a positive there. And then over here, we have 27, so I'm going to add 27 and put a plus in the middle. And then we're just going to add these up. So remember that we're going in the negative direction, going in the positive direction. So we should know by now that we need to use subtraction. So 30 minus 12 gives me 18. So that's going to be 18 x's. And then we're looking at the larger number, which is 30, and seeing what sign we have attached to that, which is a positive. So that means that this answer is going to remain a positive for our 18 x's. Then we just need to bring down our second term, which is going to be plus 27. So the answer here is going to be 18x plus 27.